Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have Docker installed and an image ready. Now start the container. First, pull the image if needed and choose a name. Run docker run dname myapp p8080 adv /data image tag to launch detached. You do this to isolate the app, expose ports for access, and persist data. Once started, check logs and status with docker ps and docker logs myapp to verify the process began as expected. Once the container runs, configure its environment and resources to match production needs. Pass variables with E or an ENV file, and constrain CPU or memory using CPUS and memory flags so you avoid noisy neighbors. If you need to inspect or fix things, run docker execut myapp /bin/bash to open an interactive shell and explore files or processes. Also monitor live resource usage with Docker stats to spot bottlenecks. And to finish or upgrade, stop the container gracefully, pull the new image, and recreate the container with the same volume and port flags so state persists. Use docker stop myapp, then docker rm myapp before docker run with the updated tag. If things go wrong, start by reading docker logs myapp, then docker inspect myapp to check networking and mounts. Often port conflicts or incorrect volume paths are the culprit. If stuck, restart the Docker service on the host and retry the recreate steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.